Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, I have some cases for the Pixel 4a from Caseology, but before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Yes, I have more cases for your Pixel 4a. Today I have cases from Caseology. I need to give them a big shout out for actually sending these to me for review. They sent me their Parallax case in 4 different colors. This one is the black case, but they also sent me one in just pink, classic blue, and then this is called purplish. Which color do you like better? I'm gonna go with black or this blue one. I'm gonna review the black one, put it on the phone, so that way we can see which one looks the best. They also sent me out the Vault case in black too. So I'm gonna try out the Parallax first. We're gonna see how everything lines up, how everything fits, and see if it's actually a good case. Does it add bulk to your phone? Let's get this started. Nice packaging from Caseology. I don't know why my phone is having such a trouble focusing today. Nice packaging, pretty simple. Little pull tab up here. Put that on the side. Let's see what else you get in the case. You get this nice little book. If y'all want to pause that, you can definitely do so. It says thank you for trusting us. Also, welcome to the club. We are happy to have you. There you go, you can go to the website. Let's take a look at the case itself. Little branding there on the back, then also on the inside. Look at that cool design pattern. Also some branding at the bottom. You have the volume rockers, the power button. Let's see how this bad boy fits. All right, nice and snug. Man, that was a snug fit. Do you get lip action? Yes, you do. The camera protection? Yes, you do also. Fingerprint scanner. It does look like the fingerprint scanner is off. Don't go by that. My installation of the skin is a little bit off, so the fingerprint scanner is fine. At the bottom, everything lines up. Also at the top, look at the cutout for the headphone jack. Power button feels great. The fingerprint scanner was easy to find and get to. The volume rockers feel nice and easy to press. Man, this is a nice case. All right, let's see how the case fits now. All right, the top is snug, the bottom is snug. This is a nice fitting case. Also, it doesn't add much bulk to your phone, but it will protect it. I love that little grip they have right there too. But yeah, this definitely doesn't add much to your phone, but will protect it too. Not much more weight. What y'all think about this case? Let me know in the comments. I'm gonna move on to the Vault. So let me get that going. All right, so for the Vault, you have the same packaging. Again, if you want to pause that, you can definitely do so. You get the same type of card in this one as you get in the other case. All right, so here's the case itself. I don't know if my camera will catch it, but the back has like this material on there that it feels weird, but it actually gives it grip. I actually kind of like that feel. The inside of the case, same pattern on there. This is definitely a nice case. I love that grip they have on there. That's actually pretty cool. What y'all think? Let's see how this one fits. If it fit like the other one, then it's gonna fit like a glove. Yeah, it definitely fits like a glove. How does the top? Yes, lip action all the way around. You get the same type of camera protection too. Yes, the fingerprint scanner lines up. Everything at the bottom lines up too. Same thing with the top. And the headphone, and the headphone jack, also the microphone. The power button is easy. Look at that. No problem with the fingerprint scanner. Vine rockers are easy to get to. The grip on here, I like this case. Look at that little brand in there too. Let's see, overall feel. This one feels good. I like this one too. Again, not much added bulk or weight to your phone, so I mean, even if you did add some bulk to the Google Pixel 4a, I don't think you really would be much of a problem. But I love that grip though. This is a nice case. Overall fit, nice and snug. A little bit more play on the size than the Parallax case, but this is still, man, I just like the grip. All right, so which one was your favorite case? The Parallax case or was it the Vault case? Let me know in the comments below. Let's get a discussion going. If you want to pick up these cases, I will have the links in the description. You can pick up these cases from Amazon or Caseologycases.com. Either spot, I will have the links in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, something new to the channel, I'm trying to promote it more and more. If you want to hit the join button, become a member, become part of the BAM Nation, we'll definitely appreciate it. Also, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, so that way you know when I'm dropping a new video. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forz Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And to the next video, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.